point in singles. A good low serve forces your opponent to hit upwards and give you the opportunity to attack. The aim of the forehand low serve is to land the shuttle in the front of the opponent's service box, bringing your opponent forward and trying to force a lift. The key is to get the shuttle to travel low over the net so that it can't be attacked. Honing your technique will help you to play the shot well, even under the pressure of a crucial point in a match. Using a forehand grip with a high racket carriage, take a balanced stance close to the centre of the court. Weight transfers from the back foot to the front foot, and the racket hip begins to move forward. The arm supinates in the backswing and the wrist is bent back. The wrist remains bent back on impact. After impact, the forearm pronates as the follow-through is completed. Note that impact takes place in front and to the side of the body. Remember to look for the next shot.